Better be good. Come on, let's go. Okay, so in your main menu, it's on the side here, service. And then all the way down, it's a battery health at the bottom. And then it kind of gives you a little brief. This is what's going to happen. Test. And then here are the conditions that have to be met, so you can pause this. Basically, you've got to get 20% or below, you've got to be parked, connect to the internet, not scheduling any software updates, and you've got to be connected to your home charger or any AC charger with at least 5 kilowatts. So there you go. Let's go. Right, this is not lying. When it says 18 hours, it does mean 18 hours. There's 4 hours left and it's the next morning. A couple of things while we're waiting. It's on 100% now, so it shouldn't be long. It's on battery resting, so that must be the last piece of the puzzle. So it's now gone 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's been charging all day. So I'm on the Octopus Intelligent Go tariff, which gets me 7 pence per kilowatt for the off-peak period, which I think is 11:30 at night till 5:30 in the morning. So it has been using my full peak tariff all day, which is fine as a one-off, but it's just something to consider. I did try and preempt that, to be fair. I started it around 9:30 last night, thinking it would, run itself down and then recharge overnight, but it just hasn't worked out that way. And I did take off the charging routines, so I'm not sure what I've done wrong, but maybe someone can tell me. It's not something I'm going to be doing all the time. I'm just really, really curious. Finally, it's finished. Okay, I've got my result. I'm pleased. I am really pleased with my result. In the last 5 months, I've really tested this car. I've only had it 5 months, and I've done 6 big journeys. So, big, heavy towing journeys. I've done distances. The conditions have been terrible. I've been pulling into service stations with 1%, supercharging back up to 100. All the things that you shouldn't do to retain battery health. And they're not built for regular towing, are they? They've got the capacity to do, but it isn't what they're made for, is it? So I'm really happy, honestly. But I think, to be honest, this car could do anything and I still love it. But okay, let's have a look. So 94%, that's what we're on. Do you know, I'm so stupid. I first read this and I was like, how has it been tested in the future? It's been tested on the 1st of December 2026, but no, it's the 12th of the 1st because it's American, isn't it? I'm like, well, that's wrong for a start. No, it's not. It's not wrong. It's just a different format. So there we go, 94%. So what do you think? Are you going to do yours? Are you scared like I was in case you've bought a right banger? I'm so embarrassed. My neighbour's just walked past with his dog while I'm doing this, so I'll have a WhatsApp in a bit. I've got Amazon. Right, I best go. Bye. Okay, really quickly, could you please just give us a little subscribe or a like or a comment or all 3? Just don't be horrible. Be nice.